First thing Rick said, you have this big campus, think about what you can do.
I said, imagine the school in the future. What do you want people to think and feel as they walk in? And he said, safe, welcome, comfortable, family-oriented, warm, excitement, wonder, and wow.
This was just beautiful, really endearing, charming in every way. What a fantastic story. What a fantastic, just a collection of people, really.
It was really cool to kind of go on the journey with them.
I just love this story. I think it's amazing what these people did to take it upon themselves to fix this school.
It was so cool to see these kids thriving.
The main reason why I loved watching this is the kind of story that you see in a film, but told in a documentary. So you know that it's real.
Such a wonderful film. They did a great job with this.